It took a fleet of We Energies crews to repair two snapped utility poles near Greenfield Avenue and Barker Road in the town of Brookfield. This was one of the first widespread outages on this wicked, windy Wednesday. Thousands left in the dark, but those crews had power restored in just over an hour. The poles difficult to reach, a football field off the road and up a steep hill. Early Wednesday afternoon, the Burlington Fire Department needed to assist We Energies for limbs on power lines that were smoking.
They've been able to restore power pretty quickly to a lot of the outages that we've seen. I've only seen outages for about an hour, so we've been restoring customers very quickly.
The cleanup crews will be back here in about an hour. I don't know how they're going to tackle this project. It looks pretty tough. Again, about a 6-foot break up off the ground and the mass of that tree laying there on the roof. We're about an hour to sunset, so it could be a long night for a lot of those crews here in southeast Wisconsin. When it comes to the utility companies, We Energy says that they've restored power to about 20,000 customers. And you heard her say those outages lasting about an hour. For now, reporting live on the city's southwest side, meteorologist Chris Cloninger, WISN 12 News.